Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a test. This is a test on creating transfer paper with PBK 10. I seen another YouTuber do it with Roman Schmalz Graphite Gray or Graphite, and I thought and it was PBK 10. The only thing I have in PBK 10 is Daniel Smith's watercolor stick in Graphite Gray, and I looked on the side and the pigment number is PBK 10. So, and it's in a gum Arabic solution, so it should be the same. So what I'm going to do is what she did. So I'm going to put some color down in a dilute mixture, and I think I might really just get some water here and take it right off the stick so I can get it in a good mixture, because these are kind of dry. And then we're going to do a little test here. We're going to see if we can transfer it, use it as a transfer medium onto our next page, and see if the whole thing transfers, or if it leaves smudges behind, or if it won't transfer at all, if it transfers better with a dilute mixture or a heavier mixture. All right, now down here I'm going to do a heavier mixture. I'm going to make sure it gets as dark as I can get it. This brush I'm using is a synthetic squirrel from Famui. You can go in the description below and I will have that link. And if you use the code Denise, you can get these affordable brushes anyway for an extra 20% off. All right, now I'm going to let this dry, and I'm actually going to put another layer. See if I can get a little bit darker yet. My brush keeps drying out. It should work. It should work. I don't have anything in PBK 10. So we'll see. We'll let this dry, and I'm going to give it another layer. Well, I think it's pretty dark the way it is. So we'll let this dry, and then we'll try transfer. Okay, this is dry now. So we're going to just turn it over to the other side, and I'm going to do some sketches. And I'm just going to do this with my Sarasa ink pen. And we're going to see, I'm going to push as hard as I can. All right, now we'll turn it over and see how it goes. Let's zoom in. And it did, it worked as light as it needs to be. It's very, very light. But if you get some watercolor here, let's get a little bit of this olive green. So I say this is a success. PBK10. And I was just wondering if it was just going to be the same as it was. So it's water-soluble graphite is what it is. So, cool. Let me know what you think of this in the comments below. Like I said, I think next time I would use a lighter weight paper to paint on the back. But gosh, it saves you from doing your pencil like that. And it didn't seem to transfer elsewhere on the paper, and it erased. So let me know what you think of this tip. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.